Welcome back to part 5 of our basic to advanced floor plan mini-series. Enjoy the video. So let's also add some rooms. So under the architecture tab, I select the room button, and then I'm going to place some rooms in place. Now for the exterior porch, I'm going to add some room separation lines. Rooms are automatically bounded by walls if the tick box is ticked. So if I select a wall, they default to be room bounding in the properties. So they automatically contain that room. If I try to put a room to the outside, it's going to come up with an error to say that the room is not in a properly enclosed region. So to make that enclosed, you have to use the room separator lines, which creates artificial boundaries for the rooms. So let's select that, and let's simply go to the outer edge of this porch, and then select a line there, and a line here, and that automatically encloses that room that we placed to the outside. Let's also load a tag and tag these rooms. And then we can rename all of them. Let's also create a room separator for the dining room. So I'm just going to select from this corner down to that wall and then cut across. And then again, let's place a room in that section and tag. And that's the end of the video. Be sure to check out the other parts to this basic to advanced floor plan mini-series, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more regularly released Revit content. I'll see you in the next one.